Hey YouTube, we're just going to do a quick unboxing of the Dyson Ball Animal 3. I ordered this directly from Dyson, and after 5 faithful years of this Hoover old school-ish canister type vacuum, I thought it was time for a new one. So let's get on with the show. So as you can see, I kind of laid everything out here, and of course there's some documentation. I'm sure it's like warranty information and just registration of the vacuum itself. Let's actually take a look what's inside here. Thank you for buying Dyson. Safety instructions, essentially. All right, so let's take a closer look at what we unpacked. Quick note about the box. It's actually wrapped in a very thick packaging plastic, so when it arrives, you can just rip it off and you have a essentially pristine box. So that's just nice. You're buying a Dyson partly for presentation, so it's just a nice touch when they ship it. So here's the main unit itself. This is where you disconnect the canister, quite large, right? This is where the main unit is for the motor and the filters, all that good stuff. This extends apparently really, really long. And then at the end of this, you put one of these long extension poles, right? And at the end of the extension poles, you can put one of these tools. So this one is, yeah, excuse the noise, this is my baby running around. So you can have just the end of it, so you can just suck up debris from maybe corners, or have a brush to agitate that area, maybe in the corners of your ceiling or whatever, okay? This is the handle for the unit itself. This is for maybe stairs or probably in your car, what have you, right? Wherever you like, in a tight space. This is just an attachment so you can put your tools on it. Yeah, we'll assemble that later. And then this is really the star of the show right here. So the key thing, the reason why I actually sealed the deal for me for this, one, the Dyson name. The Dyson name basically says strong suction, really thorough in terms of vacuuming. But this is really what sold me on this Dyson Ball Animal 3, version 3, right, is the hair removal vanes. This particular unit will basically prevent, or at least in theory, the need to cut out maybe hair or anything that tangles in there, and it'll resolve that for you, right? I read some reviews that maybe this thing might be a little bit too tough to push along carpet or floors or whatever, and apparently there's this switch here that helps you adjust for maybe hardwood, a little bit thick carpet, and super thick carpet. So the theory is, as it goes along, it might let in less air or more air, so that you can move this along. So as it creates a suction area along the surface, that it'll let more air in and allow you to push it. At least that's in theory. So let's put this thing together and see how it looks. Just to show you the mechanism for dropping the bottom of the canister. So that pushes all the way down, pushes this out. So basically hands-free in terms of ejecting debris and trash. All right, so just be a little bit more forceful. Yeah. So don't push it too slow. Yeah, push a little hard at the end. So here it is, fully assembled. Just wanted to see how easy it was without reading the manual. There was a couple times in there where I wanted to, but I kind of pushed through and fully assembled it in about 6 minutes, 5-6 minutes. So this is how it goes. So that really long extension pole actually goes inside of the tube. The handle goes on top of there, of course. On the side, there's a clip space for earlier, that little attachment. Of course, this tool is on the side, and this tool here clips on the side. One quick note about the cable here is that this right here, the longevity of this is highly questionable over months or years here, right? But that's the design they went with somehow, some way. And then the other end of it, there's actually a thicker piece of plastic, which why they didn't do the same is beyond me, right? This is definitely not acceptable, right? Now, I will say, for the design standpoint, it makes sense why they made it kind of minimalistic, but whereas this Hoover that it's replacing, I am definitely going to miss this cord winding feature where you just basically step on this over here and it'll just suck the cord back in. Very easy. However, again, just to reiterate, the reason why we're moving away from this is the suction power is just no longer good enough after 4 or 5 years here. So we're just gonna give the name, big name in the space here, a good try. Again, from someone who's never owned a Dyson before, I was wondering how the heck do you lean it backwards, right? And basically what you do is you push down and back, and I'll let it go. And you have to definitely align this little tab to fold it back up. So again, if you just lean it back, you'll just pull it up, but you have to actually kind of just push down. It'll disengage, and the infamous ball that was marketed so many years ago will do its thing. All right. So there you go. That's a quick little overview and unboxing of the Dyson Ball Animal 3. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. See you in the next one.